Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And the other day I did a video on this, and somebody asked me how you could do it in a square. And then somebody else asked me, a friend of mine asked me how you would do it, another one in a square. I don't think that one's possible. But I kind of started looking at this one. This one might be possible. So I'm going to grab my blend and I'm going to blend those. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and nudge those up. Now I'm going to go to Object, break the blend apart, and then we can weld this, and that's going to get us the same pattern as the other day. Now this we need to go to Object, break blend apart, and just get rid of these center ones. And actually we only need one of these. So we'll take this ball, and I don't know why I moved it over so far, but we'll take the Smart Fill tool, and I've been using this blue lately, so I'm going to continue using it. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, but I'm going to use the elliptical and move it to the center and maybe put black on the outside. You should just be able to drag it over there and place it, and then take blue and put it on the inside. Kind of make it in the center. We don't want it quite so black, so I'm going to go like that. Now what's so good about using a 12-inch box, we can set our nudge factor on 12 inches and do this quite easily. It should snap right to there. Hit the plus key and arrow over to the left, hit the plus key and arrow to the down. And now we have the 4. Now we can take this, and if you remember I nudged it, I did not move it. If we'll get our 3-point line, 3-point curve line, and you could go anywhere on this. And one thing is you need to kind of remember, don't just draw another line. Take that exact line and get the 4-point cross and have it snap. That way you the things will fit together because you're using the same line. Virtual segment or interactive fill tool again. This time we're going to go up and down. We'll put a black on both ends like we did the other day in the video. And I used to have to double click and make a box, but I realized you can just take and just drop a color. And I'm going to go here to the smoothness and give it a little bit more smoothness. Now, we can't really nudge this, but we can hit the plus key on the keyboard, grab that point right there and have it knock to it. Then we can move this one. And if you move it in one stroke, then you can go Control D, Control D, Control D. Now I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go ahead and group this together with Control G. And because we nudged it, we can nudge it right back. I'm going to hit the plus key and nudge it back. Now if we hit the duplicate key now and rotate everything 90 degrees, we're going to have 4 balls on the corner. So you can either like that look or take one of the balls away. Whoop. Nope. Let's see if we can. Let's nudge this one out of the way. Yep, see, we need to basically break everything apart. Well, I'm not nudging very good. Just go like this and go to Object and group, ungroup all. Well, really we should have ungrouped all. I did not. I very seldom ever use ungroup all. We'll have to group it back together, ungroup all, and that ungroups all of it. So I said it didn't ungroup that. I'm pretty sure I got the blend. Well, we're just hitting that one part. So we can do that. We can nudge that out of the way. Oh, that's what it is. The line itself is behind there. That's why I couldn't grab it. So, like I said, I have 4 balls on each corner. Maybe we could delete one and see what it looks like. You know, I had 2. Now those happen to work out fine. The other end, it looks like you can see both balls. Well, I'm a little bit lost here what I did. Yeah. is just that one section, and then take this. See, the ball's kind of hidden, but we took away one of the balls, maybe it'll look better. And you can, change them around. I think it looks pretty good. If you look at all four corners, they're kind of all the same. And who's to know? It looks pretty good. I think my second one, or my one I did here, looks a little bit better. I might have made the balls a little bit bigger and tighter. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.